How to cast an iPhone to a TV. If you have an Apple TV registered or AirPlay registered to compatible smart TV, you can easily connect your iPhone to it through AirPlay. AirPlay allows you to stream videos or mirror the display on your device's screen on your TV. Here's how. Make sure your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple TV or AirPlay 2 compatible smart TV. Swipe to open the control center on your device. For an iPhone with Face ID registered, swipe down from the top right corner. For an iPhone with a home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Tap the screen mirroring icon, overlapping rectangular boxes, then choose your TV from the list. Follow the directions on both screens, TV and device. You might have to enter an AirPlay passcode that pops up on your TV. To stop screen mirroring, open the control center, tap screen mirroring, and then select Stop Mirroring. How to connect an Android phone to a TV. If your TV can access the internet and stream content from apps like Netflix registered, Hulu registered, or YouTube, then you may be able to send video directly to your TV from your phone or tablet. Connect your smart TV and your phone or tablet to the same Wi-Fi network. Open a video in your preferred app, then tap the cast icon. Select your TV from the list. You'll see your video playing on your TV. Note, not all Android phones have this feature.